In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export tickets from HubSpot. First, you will need to sign in to HubSpot. This is the gateway to accessing your HubSpot account. You will see the login screen prompting you for your email and password. Make sure you enter the correct credentials to gain access to your dashboard. A successful sign-in will lead you to your HubSpot home screen. This is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to manage or export your tickets. Once you are signed in, you can move on to the next step with confidence. Next, navigate to CRM and then select Tickets. On your screen, you will see a menu on the left side. Click on the CRM option and a drop-down will appear. From there, locate and click on Tickets. This action will direct you to the Tickets interface where all your ticket data is displayed. You should see various tickets listed, each with essential details. This step is important because it allows you to access the specific tickets you want to export. Having this information readily available ensures a smooth exporting process. If needed, apply filters or choose a saved view to export only the tickets you want. Look for the filter options at the top of the tickets table. You can refine your ticket list by date, status, or other criteria. Alternatively, if you have saved views, select one to quickly access a predefined list of tickets. This step is significant because it helps you focus on the exact tickets you need, saving you time and effort in the long run. Once you have your desired tickets displayed, you can proceed to the next action. Now, click Export in the upper right corner of the tickets table. On the screen, you will see an Export button that stands out in the corner. Clicking this button initiates the export process for the selected tickets. This step is essential as it is the point where you command HubSpot to prepare your tickets for download. You will feel a sense of progress as you prepare to finalize your export settings. In the export dialog, enter a name for the export if you wish. A text box will appear allowing you to label your export. While this step is optional, naming your export can help keep your files organized. Proper naming conventions make it easier to identify your exports later on. Once you've named your export, you can move to the next option. Choose the file format for your export. You will typically have options like CSV, XLSX, or XLS. Each format serves different needs, with CSV being widely compatible and XLSX offering more features for Excel users. Picking the right format is important because it ensures that the data is usable in the applications you plan to use it with. After selecting your desired format, you are almost done. Next, select which properties or columns to include if prompted. A list of properties will be displayed, allowing you to choose what information is important to you. This could include ticket status, priority, or assignee. Including only the necessary properties helps keep your exported data clean and relevant. You can make selections based on your needs, and once you have made your choices, it's time to finalize your export. Finally, click Export. After confirming your selections, this button will initiate the export process. You should see a message confirming that your export is being prepared. This last step is crucial because it completes the process of exporting your selected tickets. Once the export is complete, you will receive a notification and you can download your file. Now you have successfully exported your tickets from HubSpot, ready for analysis or sharing.